In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books. Let's dive right into it to ensure you handle refunds smoothly and efficiently, maintaining accurate records for your business. First, you'll want to open Zoho Books and head over to the Sales section, which you can find in the menu on the left side of your screen. Within the Sales section, there is a sub-menu labeled Payments Received. Click on that, and it will lead you to a list of all the payments you've recorded in Zoho Books. Now that you're viewing your payments, your next step is to locate the specific payment that you need to refund. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the payment by customer name or transaction details. Once you've identified the correct payment, simply click on it to select it. This will open up the details for that specific payment. With the payment details displayed, look for the More icon. It usually appears as 3 dots and is often located at the top right corner of the payment detail page. Click on this icon and you'll see a drop-down menu. From the options listed, select Refund. At this point, you need to decide whether you're issuing a full refund or just a partial one. Enter the refund amount accordingly in the designated field. This number should reflect what you've agreed upon with your customer, whether it's the full transaction amount or just a part of it. After specifying the amount, double-check any other required fields to ensure everything's correct. Typically, you'll need to confirm or input the refund date. This is the date when the refund transaction took place or is scheduled to occur. Additionally, select the account from which the refund will be made. This could be your business's main bank account or another designated account for handling transactions. Once you're satisfied that all the details are accurate, from the refund amount to the date and account information, your final task is to save these changes. You'll find the Save button toward the bottom of the refund page. Click it to finalize and record the refund in your Zoho Books account. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully record a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books. Ensuring your financial records are up to date is crucial for any business, and handling refunds accurately is a key part of that process. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to consult Zoho's help guides or reach out to their customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.